Ever wondered what's really happening when you build those slick Tableau dashboards? Let's dive in to see how we can check the SQL our data queries are generating first. Ensure you've got Tableau desktop open and connected to your data source. I'm using a sample dataset. Go to your data source connection. Make sure you've built a visualization, like a bar chart or a crosstab. Why Euro important? Because it's the basis for your queries. Now, go to the worksheet menu and choose View SQL. A window will show the SQL Tableau uses to retrieve your data. Why Euro? Select from WHERE statements, the language your data source uses. This SQL shows how Tableau translates your drag and drop actions into database queries. Why Euro? Valuable for performance optimization. Reviewing this SQL can help identify complex calculations in just calculated fields or data source to boost performance. Plus, learn SQL by observing how Tableau structures queries. Explore the SQL, learn how Tableau structures queries, and accelerate your dashboard's performance to gain deeper insights. This enhances your data interaction.